Hi everyone, I created this metallic lips and winged eyes inspired by Debashree Banerjee. She posted this picture with purple lips and eyes and I thought it looked amazing. If you like this look, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm starting with moisturizing my face as I always do. Never skip moisturizer as it makes sure the skin is prepped and hydrated. Next, using a silicone based primer to blur my pores and other skin imperfections and setting a smooth base for the foundation application. Dabbing it all over my T-zone and making sure it sits well on my face. Applying foundation. Applying a generous amount on my forehead, cheeks, nose and chin and spreading it out. I learned this technique from Debashree. It makes blending easier and less foundation is absorbed by the sponge or brush I'm using. Using a damped beauty blender, dabbing and blending the foundation on my face. The coverage is beautiful and if you prefer a dewy look, it's perfect. Debashree was the first beauty YouTuber I started to follow. I came to know about this world of beauty and makeup on YouTube through her. And I really like the kind of looks she creates. Bold, she loves to play with colors and experiment new looks. Taking my time to blend it all, especially around my nose and eye area. Not to forget the neck, just dabbing the leftover product on my sponge. Okay, now using the concealer to hide away dark and dull areas of my face. This one has yellow undertones so it makes the area look brighter as well. Making a V under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, cupid's bow, chin and around my lips. With the sponge blending it again, ensuring there's no harsh edges or patches left behind. Take your time and blend well. Taking it over my eyelids as well to set a uniform base. It takes time and is boring but very important. Taking the yellow banana powder and set everywhere I applied the concealer to avoid it from creasing. Taking a mattifying compact and setting the rest of my face because hello oily skin. If you're wondering, hey that's too much powder, don't worry, I'm gonna take care of that in the later step. Did my brows offline. Using a setting spray and showering my face in it. Now taking the sponge and lightly dabbing it all over my face. It melts any excess powder that's there and presses the setting spray into the skin to lock the makeup. Debashree had her contour and bronzing on fleek, and how can I miss that? Carve out those cheekbones. Using a flat top brush and make sure not to bring it too near your mouth. Leave it in the middle of your cheeks and blend well, no harsh edges. See the difference? Contour the double chin, jawline and bronzing my forehead cause it's huge. Highlight time. She was glowing in the pictures and so am I gonna, hopefully. Highlighting the higher points of my cheeks and yeah, that's the glow I'm talking about. Also highlighting the bridge of my nose and cupid's bow. Coming to the main star, I'm using a metallic matte liquid lipstick on my eyes and lips. Using a sharp eyeliner brush, starting from the middle of my eyes and drawing a line towards the end and leaving it where my lashes end. Now extending the line for a wing as long as you prefer. Holding the brush firmly and dragging it down to join the line. Drawing a thin line from the starting of my eyes to join it in the mid. Take your time and give it the final touch. Repeating the same on the other eye. A steady hand, patience and time is all you need. These look great to me, almost identical on both the eyes. Yay! Adding a bit of definition to my crease and highlighting my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes. Taking a kajal and applying it to my waterline for a sharper look. Adding mascara to my lower lashes cause it's all about the drama. Adding a pair of falsies and finally putting on the metallic lip color. And that's it. I loved how this monochrome look turned out. It's bold and dramatic and has all my heart. Adding some earrings and you're good to go. Hit the like button if you loved this glowing look. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye.